Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. Today we're reviewing the Meidong KY06 True Wireless Earbuds. These have a 34-hour battery life. The earphones themselves give you 8.5 hours. That's what Meidong say. The case gives you a further 3 charges. Bluetooth 5.0, which should be really good. They also say the sound is like Hi-Fi 3D, IPX6, so sweat and a bit of rain shouldn't bother you. Are they any good? Let's find out in today's review. So the box, it's plain, just got the branding on Meidong KY06 True Wireless Earbuds. Nothing there. Let's open it. The case, which has the earbuds inside. You get a set of extra tips. You get small and large. Them are the only 2 sizes you get. You get a micro to full size charging cable. And at the bottom, if you take that off, you get the instruction manual in English and loads of other languages. That's showing you what's included. So you get your small and large, and then you get the adapter instruction and how to charge it and stuff. Okay, let's move on to the actual earbuds. So onto the actual case itself, nothing special. I've reviewed plenty of earphones that look the same as this, the case does. I'll link them above. You've got your micro charging port there. The case itself has a 540 milliamp hour battery, and the earbud has 70 milliamp hour battery. It has a 10-meter range. At the front there, you could see the lights. When you open the case, it gives you an indicator how much battery you've got left. So it'll go up in 25, 50, 75 and 100. They're on 3 already because of course I have been using them. The earbuds themselves, they have a 6mm driver. Let me just remove them. You could see in there the contact points for charging the case. A bit of Meidong brand in there, and it's got a little light indicator there. I don't know if you'll be able to pick that up. They are all touch system, so there's no physical buttons, so a bit like Apple AirPod. You've got the actual ear tip on there. It's got the contact points there. It says R on that one and it'll say L on that one. Also on the case, I don't know if you'll be able to pick it up because it's in black. It says R there and L there, so you can't get them wrong which way to charge them. As soon as you take them out, power them both on by holding them. Turn your Bluetooth on your phone. As soon as you turn the Bluetooth on your phone, it will come up as KY06. They pair up really fast. That's thanks to Bluetooth 5.0. To play, pause the music, tap once to play, tap again to pause. If you want to go track forward, the right earbud, you tap that for 2 seconds. If you want to go track back, you tap the left earbud for 2 seconds. If you want to activate Siri, you hold both of them for 1 second. You'll activate Siri. They are nice and light. I find these do fit in my ear perfect, but because there's only large and small, if your ear size is medium, they might not be good for you. Going out jogging, running, absolute no problem. Audio video sync is fine. That's thanks to Bluetooth 5.0. The overall audio quality is really good on these. That's surprisingly good, because I always say earbuds this type don't have a lot of bass in them because the size, but these have. I'm not saying they've got a lot of bass. Of course, I've heard better at an expensive price. These come out in a reasonable price as well. They do sound good for the price. They're nice and light. You can also receive calls, make calls. In that aspect, perfect, no issue at all. The other person could hear me, I could hear the other person. All in all, I think it's a good package that Meidong have got here together. In terms of battery life, 8.5 hours. I have had less than that, and the case has given about 2.5 charges, but that's when the manufacturers tell you that, that's estimated. And again, as I always say, it depends on how loud you listen to the music. Overall, you can't go wrong for the price. They're a decent set of earbuds. My friends, as always, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video.